Here's a 2017 Honda Civic sedan. The Civic has a long history of excellence and of constantly moving forward. It's well equipped with the features you need: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, air conditioning, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Road and Track Rights, driving even the base version of this new Civic, transports you back to a time when Hondas were actually sporty, cool, and even fun to drive. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.